DuraLabel. Tough. Tested.
Visual communication is essential to maintaining workplace safety. Signs of many types and sizes must be quickly recognized and easily understood. Widely used in manufacturing, oil and gas, mining, lien identification, and facility and safety signage, the DuraLabel Pro 300 performs like no other industrial label printer. Print labels from a 1/2 inch to 4 inches wide at 300 dpi. Fast and efficient output means less time wasted and increased production. With more than 50 types of supplies, the DuraLabel Pro 300 can satisfy virtually any labeling application. OSHA-compliant safety signs, high-temperature surfaces, cold storage applications, shrink tubing and wire wraps, repositionable labels, and many others. Loading supplies is fast and simple, allowing you more time to create the custom labels and signs that you need. The DuraLabel Pro 300 connects to your computer with a USB cable and uses popular programs such as Microsoft Word, Excel, and OpenOffice. You'll be creating labels and signs in a matter of minutes. Expand your labeling capabilities even further with included DuraSuite labeling software. Design and print pipe markers, Right to Know, Arc Flash, GHS labels, and custom signs quickly and easily. With DuraLabel Pro 300's easy-to-use features and durable design, you'll have the confidence to get the job done right. For more information about the DuraLabel Pro 300, call 1-888-326-9244 or visit DuraLabel.com.